What is up, you guys, and welcome back to Nerdy Tavern. This video is going to be part 2 of drinks based off of Monty Python and the Holy Grail. So today I have 3 more recipes for you guys. We will be making the Knights Who Say Nick, the Killer Rabbit, and of course, the Holy Hand Grenade. Let's get to it.
We will start with the Knights Who Say Nick. Start with 1.5 ounces of cognac, half an ounce of blackberry brandy, 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and a splash of citrus sour mix.
We are the Knights Who Say Nick.
No, not the Knights Who Say Nick.
Next up, I'm going to show you how to make the Killer Rabbit. Start with 1 ounce of blood orange vodka, 1 ounce of Everclear, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 2.5 ounces of white peach juice, and top this off with 5 dashes of Peychaud's bitters.
Jesus Christ! I warned you.
And last but certainly not least, the Holy Hand Grenade. Start with half an ounce of cognac, half an ounce of raspberry liqueur, half an ounce of Everclear, half an ounce of elderflower liqueur, half an ounce of tequila blanco, 2 ounces of black mulberry juice, and top this off with ginger beer.
Bless this thy hand grenade, that with it thou mayst blow thine enemies to tiny bits.
Woo! Just like in the movie, that Killer Rabbit has a bit of a bite to it, so be careful. But anyways, that's all I've got for you guys today. But if you aren't already, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more movie, book, anime, video game, and mythology-themed cocktails. And of course, thanks for watching.